Сәлем достар, сіздермен бірге мен Рейд Шоу және де бұл Майнкрафт Story Mode. Кеттік. Так, Петра кетіп баратыр. Мен сені жақсы көремін десе де.
Careful, Jesse. You don't want to get a reputation as a wimp. This isn't my first time in a cave, Petra. Yeah, but have you ever seen a wither skull? Whoa! Fresh from the nether. You're the first person I've showed it to. So, you better appreciate it.
Ничего особенного.
I guess going to the scariest place in the world is just another day at work for you, huh? Hey, if I haven't faced down death at least twice before lunch, I'm not living up to my full potential. There's this guy I'm meeting up with at EnderCon. He's gonna trade me a diamond for it. Being the resident go-getter pays off every once in a while. Literally. The guy you got the skull from, what's his deal? He's kind of strange, I guess. But hey, everybody's got their thing. And you never thought to ask him, hey, what's with your whole totally normal, not at all weird skull thing? As long as this guy is willing to pay, I earned that diamond. Wow. Wow, what? In a single day, you went to the nether, you killed a wither skeleton. I mean, I did build a super cool statue, but still, it's pretty sweet being you, huh? You know, you could come with me. I mean, if you're too nervous, I totally get it.
Кешіріңіздер, на программа қуат кішкене. Ал кеттік.
Little backup.
Мен саған көмектесем.
Honored to be your backup. Don't have to make such a big deal out of it. I just said you could come with me. I know. I was there. It was amazing. Kind of starting to have second thoughts here. You just keep a crafting table down here. Comes in handy. Since that wooden sword of yours got busted, you're giving me a new one? Even better. You can make your own.
О, крафт ететігі
Two
болады.
stones equals one sword.
Так, ашамыз сандықты. Не шығады?
Just grab what you need. Oh, okay. Thanks.
Не шығады?
Hey, is all this stuff yours? No, we're just stealing from whoever was dumb enough to leave this here. Of course it's mine. Just make it. Oh, here we go. Jack up. Just place the pieces on the table.
Тас. Және де
See? Isn't it better when you make it yourself?
және де артқа қалтасына салып қойды.
Check it out. EnderCon's all lit up. I can't believe it. We won. Axel was right. Everyone loves a creeper. Good for you, Jesse. It's about time we beat Lucas and his gang of jerks. What kind of stupid name is the Ocelots anyway? You know, Lucas may be kind of arrogant, but he has come through for me in tricky situations. You might want to get to know him, just in case. He's good at building, that's for sure. It's always useful to have a guy like that around, no matter what you might think of him personally.
Это ойбай.
Not a chance. Hey, I know you're still all amped from battle. Just think about it, okay? Come on, let's hurry. Remember what EnderCon was like before it was cool? Remember what we were like before we were cool? Some of us will never be cool. Ha ha.
Жаныма тиіп кетті ғой. Ойбай.
Creepers!
Криперлер. Зомбилар.
This doesn't look good.
Иә.
Well, there's only one way off this bridge. Whatever we do it together.
Төбелес.
The only way off this bridge is through them.
Skrrgsh. Skrrgsh. Skrrgsh.
Any of them. I don't want to die.
Кинодағыдай Тон, 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 тон. Telltale Games представляет. Но басым, а? Қара. Но басым, а? Енді басы болып жатыр, ойлап. Достар, ойлаңыз. Енді ғана басы болып жатыр. Қарайған уақыт өтті. Сол қараған уақыттың ішінде біз Рубенді жоғалтып алдық, қылыш жасадық, монстрлармен төбелестік. Ужас, өлтірейді мұсың, күшт жасаған негіз. Композитор Анадел Антимо и Уэллес. Уа, қошып бітіпті.
Don't you know? You dive into the water. You don't land on top of it. Pull yourself together and follow me.
Теңізге түскім келіп кетті. Мен тұратын жер теңізге жақын, бірақ теңіздің сезоны бітті
Just let
қазір.
me know if you see Ruben
Ешкім
anywhere.
түспейді.
He's gotta be here somewhere.
I hope you're right.
So, when we're making a deal, I need you to let me
Маған
know.
да теңізден гөрі бассейн ұнайды көбінесе.
I just don't want anything to screw this up.
But talking's what I do best.
Just do me a favor and suppress your inner talent, okay?
Jesse.
And Petra?
Hey, you all know Petra, my new super close friend. We're super close.
Закаты на юде жазып қойыпты.
We ran into each other while I was looking for Ruben. Couldn't find him, huh?
He'll turn up sooner or later. I just know it.
I saw him, but before I knew what was happening, we were under attack by a zombie horde. I told him to run. It was for his own good. What were you doing in the woods, Petra?
Nothing. Just drawn by the sound of Jesse's high-pitched screams.
Жаныма тиіп жатырсыңдар ғой Джессидің.
Sorry we didn't come with you, Jesse.
But hey, we won.
Looks like abandoning friends in their time of need paid off yet again. If I didn't know any better, I'd think that creeper was really gonna explode. We did okay, didn't we?
I still wish I'd gotten that part in the back to look better.
Вечеринка,
Works in there.
дискотека,
We deserve a victory party.
дискотека, дискотека, дискотека.
Especially ones where I get to celebrate winning.
About time we'll be the guest of honor at something.
Hey, Jesse, it's
Бум,
time to
дигиди,
go
бум,
see about
дигиди,
that
бум.
thing.
Oh, right, the thing.
Subtle.
Yeah?
As a punch to the face. Axel and I were gonna head into Endercon anyway. See you in
I
there?
heard somebody saying there's free cake by the map booth.
Hurry. We're supposed to meet in the alley over there.
Dark, very dark in here.
That's weird. He said the dark, creepy alley close to the gates, but he's not here. Maybe he's late.
Are you sure this is the dark, creepy alley he meant?
I was. Okay, new plan. You stay here, just in case this is the spot he meant, and I'll look around. I guess I could have heard him wrong.
Жақсы осы жерде
I've
қаламын.
never gotten a meetup spot wrong before.
Әңгіме жоқ, әңгіме жоқ.
Thanks, Jesse. I'll be back before you know it. If he shows up while I'm gone, just stall for me.
Артынан біреу келе жатыр.
And just who are you?
То вы такие.
I'm waiting. The name's Jesse. What's it to you?
I'm supposed to meet with Petra, not whatever you're supposed to be. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't walk out of here right now.
Well, you're the guy who needed a wither skull, right?
Not so loud, you idiot.
Өзін идиот.
Many people know my business already. You have the skull?
Well...
You do or you don't? You'd better not be toying with me.
Petra has it. She'll be back any minute now.
Well, as long as she's bringing it. I suppose it wouldn't kill me to wait a minute longer.
Неловко.
Well...
for?
Here she is.
Sorry I'm late, but good things are worth waiting for. I've got what you asked for.
If you have what you promised us.
You didn't say anything about an us when we first met. And I don't like surprises. If these are the sorts of people you associate with, perhaps we should call the whole thing off.
My friend is fine, right, Jesse? There's no problem here. Let's not be too hasty.
За дела.
Let's just do this thing.
That's what I thought.
Proceed then.
Бірден сезіп тұрмын мен.
I'll take that diamond now.
Take it. You've earned it.
Бәрін қарамай, біреуін қараншыш, біле. Қатырады.
This isn't a diamond.
No, it's lapis.
Күшті
All
ғой.
the dirty, underhanded tricks to pull. I can't believe that guy got one over on me.
Let's go after him.
I'm either getting that diamond or I'm getting my skull back.
Or you'll make him pay, right? Right?
Come on. Do you see him anywhere?
Çok da bilmeyeyim al.
We lost him.
Then we'll just have to find him again. Go.
Boom digi digi boom digi 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 boom. Ал бұл жерден достар біз тоқтататын сияқтымыз. Сіздермен болған. Егер сізге бұл видео ұнаса, лайктарыңызды басуға ұмытпаңыз, және де каналымызға жазылыңыз. Сіздермен бірге болған мен, және де атым ұмытып қалдым ғой. Және сіздермен болған мен Рейд Шоу, және де Minecraft Story Mode. Сау болыңыздар.